Alright, you guys, I just got out of Target. I've got my Ready to Be album, and I'm gonna unbox it for you because why not? So I actually got here at 10 a.m. I thought the Target opened at 10. I guess they open at 9, or maybe even earlier than that. Because I thought I was gonna get here like right when they opened. There were a ton of people here, and I was like, is everybody here for this album? But turns out they opened earlier than I thought that they did. Where should I put this? I don't really know. Here. How about that? Hey, that's pretty good, actually. All right. Okay, let's do it. So here's the album. Oh, okay, maybe not. Ah, no. Okay. Well, shit. I don't think this is gonna work. You know what? It's okay. It's okay. I'll just hold it. I'll just hold it right here. Okay, and then I'll use one hand to open this. All right. Bam. Got it. Okay. I'm using my hoodie. All right, here's my receipt. That's not important. Let's open this bad boy up. Also, they had the Moonlight Sunrise, I don't know why I said that. They had just the CD versions of it, where it's, you know, like just the CD, not the whole pack with the stickers and everything. But they only had Sana and Chewy, which is fine. Like, good for them, love them. But I didn't want to buy one. Okay, so here's the album. All right, let's go. So I am notorious for getting Jungyeon everything. I literally have a million Jungyeon, like, I don't even know what this is, postcards or whatever. All right, awesome. We got Taeyeon and Chewy. And then I guess you're supposed to rip something off here. Let's do it. Oh, don't fall. All right. Yeah, it has like a little like tear off thing here. What do I get? Oh, cute. Oh, that's cute. One's cute. Okay. Awesome. I'm doing this kind of fast because I have to go to work. Isn't that sad? Here's the little... Oh my god, look, I'm telling you, I get Jungyeon everything. I have Jungyeon everything. And she's not my bias. I mean, I love her to death, but I literally get her photo cards all the time, her postcards, her mini posters. Like, I don't know if it's like they put more of her in than anybody else, but oh, this is cool. Look at this. What a cool poster. I think I might put that up in my room. I don't have any posters up in my room, but that might be the first one. And then we got our little photo card pack here. So we got everybody's photo card. So we got Nayeon. Oh, Nayeon. Jungyeon. Momo. Sana. Jihyo. Mina. Taeyeon. Chaeyoung. Chewy. And we got one of all the girls together. Very cute. And then I'm just gonna kind of skim through this album here really quick, or the whole photo book, I should say. Just to give you guys a bit of an idea of what... Oh shit. A ton of little photo cards just fell out. Aww. Oh my god. Look at all these. Chewy, Chaeyoung, Taeyeon. You guys, I literally never get any Jihyo anything. If you guys pull any Jihyo and you want to trade with me for any of these, let me know. Not that I don't love them. I love you guys so much. These are really cute, actually. Especially Chae's. Like, that's so cute. But I really would love Jihyo if I could get my hands on one. So Message me if you got the hookups. Oh, and then here's the CD. Arguably the most important part of this whole doodad. Okay, I'm gonna put these photo cards in the front pocket with the rest of everything. I love how they added a pocket in here to keep everything, thank God. Because everything always like falls out, you know? Wow. They're just so pretty. They're so pretty. Wait, is it all Jihyo? Oh, there's Junghyun. Nayeon, cute. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. These are so cute. Oh my God, so cute. And then the lyrics on all of them. Where's the English version of Set Me Free? Oh, that's cool. That's so neat. Oh my God. Okay. All right, well, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Subscribe for more. Also watch my video of my favorite Twice moments. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.